Zepl lets your team instantly share results with business users and executives. Your team can stop wasting time maintaining your data science infrastructure, and they can access data easily while securing their credentials. Let's see how easy it is to share and collaborate in Zepl. One way to share is to use our Publish feature. Simply click on this button, and now you have a publicly available URL that you can share with executives and business users. Another way to collaborate is using our Share function. Here you can share with your entire organization or with individuals, and you have complete access control. Now let's attach a data source to this notebook. Here is our list of available data sources, and you'll notice that Zepl automatically encrypts your password, so you never have to worry about sharing your credentials again or accidentally committing them to GitHub. You have complete visibility into what your team is doing through a monitoring dashboard. Here you can see what containers are running, what your Zepl usage is, as well as get billing information. And once your free trial ends, you can simply input your credit card here and keep on going with Zepl. To find out more about how to use Zepl, check out our Zepl test flight document or request a one-on-one session with one of our product experts using the buttons below.